So today we are going to take a look at the project named Living by the Myth by Ranga Yudhistira, a freelance photographer born in Jakarta. He is picturing a very unique community in central Java, which consists of exactly 7 families. These families are chosen to live in Kampung Pitu, the village of 7 on the east peak of the dormant volcano Langeran, making their living mainly by farming, gradually also developing tourism. Their society is based on many myths, the most important being the rule of 7 families that must be obeyed for generations, and if it's broken, it will bring a disaster to the village. The members of the 5th generation, who Ranga photographed, explained him that they do not clearly know how this myth started. The number of families naturally remains 7, without any manipulation whatsoever. Since long time ago, there has been some outsiders trying to live there, but always failed due to unclear reasons. Ranga's approach, based on a long Indonesian tradition and one of the most widespread types of photography, tukang potret, the craft of portraying people in a staged position, looking directly into the camera, is bringing a myth into reality, and in contrast to contemporary urban hubs, virtual worlds and hyper-capitalist way of living. To emphasize the authenticity, Ranga also presents to the visitors an original family album from Kampung Pitu.